Some butter in it. A piece of butter is good in jasmine rice. A piece of butter is okay. A piece of butter is okay. Jasmine rice. Dash. Get that my peeps. See my man. Things get hotter. So this bad boy is staying. See my down. See my down. Smooth chicken coming around. My friends. Subscribe, hit the notification bell and so well. Bless up, straight chicken. Bless up, straight chicken. Ready for eat. Ready to heat up some sweet chicken rice. Big up yourself, peeps. Big up our one. We come fast, straight chicken. Chicken above, you know, my brethren. Yes, Papa George kitchen is here. Stew chicken above, my brethren. What? Look at that. Stew chicken above down, alright. So leave it, make it simmer down. Because the pot is getting hotter. What I said? The pot is getting what? Hotter. Simmer down, remember Papa. I'll be back, Papa George Kitchen said that. Boom, chicken and peeps. Vegetable on the side. Vegetable on the side, my peeps. Really good salad dressing. Yes, my peeps. It's two chicken done. Salad dressing on the side. I put a little bit of